What's up guys, Mikey D. Troybo, and today we have just this bumper cars, the shot bully, and it's very heavy. It's smooth. It's 10 sand. You have to contain 10 pack sand of 10 pack of sand, 5 tools, 24 sand molds, 1 tray, and 1 tray. And put on the favorite. So okay, there's the it's heavy. Oh my gosh. Let's go ahead unboxing. Oh, sorry. 1 minute left. It's heavy. So there's unboxing bumper sunset and 3 years, and then so it's heavy. So let's go ahead and unbox. Right, so there's a content 10 packs. Then there's a bumper cut set, bumper sand set, shot belly. There's the children 3 years, and then you have just right. There's an unboxing of the castle. You go ahead, the Crystal Palace, Elephant Castle, Croydon, Clapham, Sloan, many. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's go ahead and unboxing. Be careful. It's unboxing. Let's go ahead and unboxing. There you go. It's heavy. Put on the sand. It's heavy. Oh my god! It's heavy. That's heavy. It's plastic bags can be dangerous. To avoid danger of suffocation, keep this bag away from babies and children. There we go. It's heavy. Let's put on the back. It's heavy. Right. There's a purple. The first one. There's a red. There's a red. There's green. There's a yellow. All the orange, pink, another pink, and blue, brown, and double brown, double pink. There, guys. And you have just the backs on. There's your favorite on So it's very dangerous. It's heavy because it's cheaper. It's pink. There's a dark pink. There's a small pink. Right. So look at that. So let's go to this. There's a castle, and there's on. See you in the next. We'll see more videos. Alright guys, that's everything from episode blog. Alright, it's heavy. The sun is heavy. Let's go ahead, put on the newspapers and the floor, and we have just see, and then, but after that, see you. Alright guys, that's it from. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Then enjoy both. If you like, please subscribe, let me know. And then see you again in the next one.